Credit card companies operate as sophisticated wealth extraction machines, engineered to keep you paying minimums for up to 30 years. We are going to break that cycle. By the end of this video, you will have a fully prioritized, mathematically sound escape plan to get out of debt. To build this plan, we need your exact numbers. Go grab your physical credit cards, open your online banking portals, and open a blank spreadsheet. Passive participation in the credit system guarantees permanent wealth loss. Taking physical, immediate action is the only way to reverse the extraction process. Step 1 is structural. Creating a financial plan is useless if you are actively generating new debt in the background. Take the physical cards out of your wallet and put them in a drawer. Then delete the card information from your phone's digital wallet, your autofill settings, and all your food delivery apps immediately. This diagram illustrates why this step matters. You cannot fill a bucket that has a massive hole in the bottom. Paying down balances while continuing to swipe for daily purchases makes progress impossible. Halting card usage is a mandatory structural requirement to stop the bleeding so the math can actually work. With the cards frozen, we need to gather ammunition. Pause all of your current stock market investments to free up cash. The only exception is if your employer offers a 401k match. Keep that, but pause everything else. This chart compares two conflicting forces. A green bar shows a 10% market return. A towering red bar shows a 22% credit card interest rate. Combining these results in a net loss of negative 12% every year. Investing while in credit card debt means you are literally paying the bank a 12% premium to make yourself poorer. Now we organize. To defeat the debt, it must be completely unhidden and centralized in one place. Go to that blank spreadsheet you opened earlier. We are going to list every single debt you owe. This spreadsheet needs exactly 4 columns: card name, total balance, interest rate, and minimum payment. Fill in the data for every active card. Now you must choose your attack method. The first option is the Debt Avalanche. To use the avalanche method, sort your spreadsheet so the card with the highest interest rate is at the very top. This is the mathematically fastest and cheapest path to zero. The alternative option is the Debt Snowball. To use the snowball method, ignore the interest rates and sort your spreadsheet so the card with the smallest total balance is at the top. This provides rapid psychological momentum by quickly crossing small items off the list. Take 10 seconds and pick one right now. Either choice is infinitely superior to inaction. You have your prioritized target. Now, log into your primary banking portal. Look at your app's payment dashboard. Configure automatic minimum payments for every account on your list, except for the number 1 target at the top. For that primary target, schedule a manual maximum effort payment using all the cash you freed up from pausing your investments. Automating these minimums removes human error and ensures the wealth extraction machine is slowly starved of its fuel. Look at what you've accomplished. Your physical cards are frozen, your spreadsheet is prioritized, and automatic payments are locked in. The final step is maintenance. Once target number 1 hits 0, all its allocated funds must immediately be directed to target number 2. By following this math, you dismantle the 30-year trap and secure your financial escape.